Hey guys, this year has started off not so good, and it's a good idea to know how to protect yourself. Today you're going to see useful gadgets that will help you keep calm and be healthy during the outbreaks. So subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest gadgets and inventions of 2020.
In our urban environment, we are at risk of exposure to virus outbreaks, air pollution, and haze. In these situations, people are advised to avoid leaving their homes. A solution to this would be to use protective masks, but it's hard to find masks that fit different face sizes, and they can be very uncomfortable to wear for prolonged periods of time. This inspired us to develop a mask that was comfortable to wear without compromising on the level of protection. The AirPlus Smart Mask uses an N95 filter. This disposable mask comes in 3 sizes.
To come up with the sizes, we 3D scanned real human faces, collecting substantial amounts of precise and detailed data. This data was then computed using complex algorithms we generated, allowing us to develop mass-tailored shapes and sizings for our masks to ensure the best fit on different faces.
In addition, the microventilator, the AirPlus, extracts exhaled air from the mask, maintaining a comfortable temperature and humidity.
For good oral health, simply brushing your teeth is not enough. If you just brush, plaque and debris get left behind. The Waterpik water flosser cleans away debris that other devices miss. It cleans deep between the teeth and below the gum line to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas, and is clinically proven to be up to 50% more effective than string floss. You can have healthier gums and brighter teeth in just 1 minute a day.
Are you afraid of germs every day? Brushing our teeth is something we need to do every day. But as most people don't know, germs can reproduce rapidly in moist environment. Without daily efficiency sterilization, the toothbrush can become a big camp of germs with countless viruses and bacteria on it. And these bacteria can invade the mouth mucosa and be harmful to us when we brush our teeth every day. Create an intelligent sterilizing toothbrush holder, activated by human induction and sterilized after people walk away. Double protection, kill new toothbrush every day.
Our phones gather all the bacteria we touch throughout the day, and then they're stored in warm, dark places like purses and pockets. It is scientifically proven germicidal UV bulbs that completely sanitize your entire phone, killing 99.99% of all bacteria and germs. This gadget was built to accommodate all smartphones, including larger models like the iPhone 8 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus. The USB ports in the back of the unit offered universal charging to all devices. Anyway, you can sanitize it as well. It was created with smartphones in mind, but will sanitize anything that fits inside: pacifiers, smartwatches, headphones, keys. You'll find links to all these products in the description below the video. So be healthy.
Your feet can sweat up to half a pint per day. Body heat and sweat help fungus and bacteria grow in your shoes. Every step you take squeezes sweat and germs between your foot and your shoe. You don't wear socks multiple times without cleaning them, so clean your shoes too. SteriShoe is clinically proven to kill up to 99.99% of bacteria, fungus, and viruses in shoes, including the nasty odors caused by them. In addition to its powerful germ-killing 5-watt UVC light, the SteriShoe Plus's fan also dries out wet and sweaty shoes. If you have athlete's foot, toenail fungus, need to be proactive about the health of your feet due to diabetes, or just want to take better care of your feet, try SteriShoe, the only shoe sanitizer brand to earn the American Podiatric Medical Association's seal of acceptance. Order your SteriShoe sanitizer today.
Pull Clean Hand Sanitizer Door Handles has turned normal door handles into revolutionary sanitizing devices. 70% volume alcohol-based sanitizer contains rich emollients to condition and moisturize skin. It kills 99.99% of the most common germs. The Pull Clean made of high-impact aluminum, durable for long-term use and easy to install. Pull Clean is already installed in hundreds of hotels, hospitals and restaurants throughout the US. Subscribe channel and stay home, stay safe.